Hey, gals and guys. Here I am. This is me, the person that is I, Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com. And I thought this time out I would share some Chrome extensions that I use on a regular basis. So here's the Chrome extension web store. And I'll put that down in the description. I'm sure you can find it with a simple Google search. And Chrome is my browser of choice. It always has been. It has been for years. I love it. I've used Opera. I've used Internet Explorer, which is now defunct. I've used what's the new one? Edge. Not a big fan. So, anyways, this isn't browser comparisons here. This is app. So let's use apps. The description says 10. I got 12 here, I think. So you get a couple bonuses, I suppose. So let's go to YouTube to start with. Why the hell not? And I'm just gonna log in. I'm just gonna go to my studio, and there's a reason behind this. And we'll just go to content. We'll grab one of these. And then I'm just gonna put thus is a cool description. All right, cool. All right, so the reason I'm showing you this is to go to our first extension here, and that is going to check out how bad you are at spelling and grammar. So with this extension, once you sign in, you can just click here and click here. It works on most applications, Facebook, any social media, websites, things of that nature. So great extension to have. That is your Grammarly extension. All right, I'll put all these extensions down in the description. The next one is full screenshot. So if you go to a website, you want a full screenshot, then there you go. Here's the screenshot of the YouTube video I just did. Let's go to Dark Horizons. I love this site. It's a news site. So let's say I want something off there. I'll just hit this, and then it's going to grab the whole site, and there you go. And that's great for web developers if you want a whole clip of your entire website to show, put it on your portfolio, then there you go. So let's kill this. Excuse me, I got itch my nose. Excuse this. All right, so this is right here is to download media. Now it does not work for YouTube. Here, I'll show you handsome stuff. So it doesn't work for YouTube. If you want to download YouTube videos, there's really no Chrome extension for it. So just download YouTube to MP4. And there are a gazillion generators out there to do that. I know it's not in the Chrome extension. It's just a way around it. But let's go to Vimeo. And there's a video right there on Vimeo. So if you want to download anything that's not YouTube, you just go here, and then you've got a choice to download what you want and download your video. You can save as, and there you go. And download. Okay, so you can use that if you're making your own video and need a clip from something else. That's how you utilize that with that particular extension. So let's kill some more of this stuff. Okay, for this here, this is a rewriter. So let's go into Word Editor. So if you're on the fly, this is an article about muffins. Muffins are cool. Now I have that Grammarly extension right here, so it's going to say, "Hey, Chris, that's not how you spell muffins." And I go, "Thank you, Grammarly extension. I appreciate you." All right, so let's do a rewrite on this. And then let's see, there's something cool about muffins. Yeah, let's do that. I like that better. So just make sure articles are more interesting. It's a really cool plugin just to get to really quick. Color fonts, so that's an easy one. What's a colorful website? Let's go back to my, let's kill this. Let's go back to my Dark Horizons website. Leave this, get out of there. Let's go back to Dark Horizons. And let's click on that. Where the hell is it? Is this it? There it is. All right. That's what I was looking for. So you see that little, I don't know, what do you call it, a target or whatever? So you can go around and just see what the colors are, and just click on it, and then it will give you what the color is, what the hex is, the RGB, depending on how you want it as far as what you're doing. Maybe you're doing a font color, CSS, you just like the color, want it for your website. That's a simple extension to have right there. So YouTube recently dismissed downvotes. So your casual person can see it. If you run a channel, you can see the downvotes, but anyone else can't. So there's this plugin now. Let's go back to YouTube. And then we'll just pick any type of random video. That's Yahoo. That is not YouTube. Oh, good googly muggly. All right, so let's go on Charlie here. And all right, so with this plugin, you can see what the downvotes are. We're going to upvote Charlie because he's got a good channel here. I like his channel. Why there's 840 downvotes? Because there's 840 morons, I guess, out there that downvoted Charlie. Go check this guy out. He's pretty cool. He's got good commentary and everything. Free plug there, Charlie. So this is just Loom. That's what we're using right now. So if I click on this, and I'm not going to do it because I'm recording. If I click on this, there'll be a box that pops up, and it will allow you to do what I'm doing now. Record the screen, record yourself, or record yourself and the screen. So that's great. That's Loom, and I've used that many, many times. I've showed you many, many times on that. Here's SEO. So basically, let's go to Muffins. So this is great for marketers and website people that want SEO for their website. So, all right, even YouTube creators. Hi. So those are different. And here's the ranking, different keywords I could use as far as my search engine optimization is concerned. All right, let's go to the next one. Okay, what if you want to know what a font is? Let's go back to my Dark Horizons. We'll close this. All right, let's see what Dark Horizons is using. Yeah, let's refresh. If you want to refresh this, you'll get rid of this. You'll get rid of this thing here. All right, so we'll go font. Yeah, crap. Sorry. Do you highlight it? I forget how to use this. I haven't used it in a while. So font. Oh, I think you hit font. Oh, okay. Here you go. So it'll tell you what font it's using, the size of the font, and everything. So great for website designers that if they see a cool font or how it's laid out on a website and they want to mirror the thing, then there you go. Sorry, I have to have some coffee. Get me going. Keep me going. So the next one we'll take a look at is going to be TubeBuddy. I just got to get into a video. So here's TubeBuddy right here. It should load up on the side here. And you can actually see stats for any video once you sign in, but this is the one that I just put up. So you can see total views are only 2. The whole channel, you can see I got 467 videos on my channel. That's how many subscribers and so on and so forth. So TubeBuddy, you got to sign up for an account, but once you have the extension, you'll be able to see this information. And not only that, when you go into make your video, it's going to give you suggestions. So for instance, all right, say I want a keyword love. It will give you three suggestions for tags, words. And if you get a subscription, it will give you a crap load of, but for the free version, it only gives you 3. All right, so I don't want love for that. So we'll go back. So that's that one. And the next one is going to be Social Blade. So I showed you this in my cool random links for web designers and marketers. I showed you the website you can go to, but there's also an extension for that. So if we go back to that video, it should pop up down here. Maybe I have to sign into it. And let me go back to the video itself. It should pop up. There's Social Blade right there. All right, so it gives you an overview as far as that's concerned. Now, has my ranking gone up? Social Blade overview B+. All right, sorry. So that wasn't planned. So I'm just looking at the inconsistencies to the plugin, which is giving my site a B minus, and then when you go to the website itself, it gives it a C plus. So I'm not sure what the inconsistency is. Here's the website that I spotlighted before. There's the plugin. I'll have to do more research on that because I'm not really sure. So let's kill all this crap. And then what else I got left here? Oh, I got one left. What's this one here? This one is, oh, yeah. This one's cool. So that's if you want to do, like, if you're getting Catfish, you ever see the television show or even the original movie Catfish? And then they go in and they do reverse image search to see if a search of a fake profile has been used before. So this same concept. So let's go in. Let's use one of my images. Let's see if this image has been used before. So no. And then I downloaded this girl right here. All right, so if you find a fake profile, I wonder if that's an original picture. No, it's been on a gazillion other websites, so I must be being catfished. All right, gals and guys. So that's it for this time out. Those are the extensions mostly that I use, and this was a fun video to do real quickly. And I hope you utilize these and had fun watching this, and we'll use some of them, and they're really cool tools to use for your website and design, your marketing, and just fun in general. So that's it, gals and guys. Please subscribe if you could be so kind. Please like if you could be so kind. Please share if you could be so kind. Please hit the bell for updates if you could be so kind. I appreciate you as always. Bye-bye.